disease. Now this is amazing. The Fraud and Deception Association, they're really dropping the ball on this one. I mean, if you knew that a company was producing something that was poisonous and addictive, and let's say that you were in charge of protecting our population, would you approve that? No, you would say, gosh, that's not doing the job. I mean, that doesn't make sense. So when you look at this, these are producing, it's not healthy products. It's good shelf life, it's good for business, it's highly addictive, but your body, remember, you build 1 billion cells a day. If you get Kmart food, you're going to get a Kmart body. Okay, and then we're going to have more disease rates. So then, and I got to tell you, when I was a kid, the ding-dongs in 1968 are totally different than the ding-dongs today. They say that, and I'm not just being facetious, they say there's 12 additional chemicals in the Twinkie today than there wasn't back in 1970. So it's totally different. And I'm not even talking the genetically modified products. It's just the sugars, back then it was cane sugar, now it's corn sugar. So they're so poisonous that they're vitamin fortified. Now the problem with the vitamin fortified is they're using fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A and D, and they're generally mixing it with peanut oil. So so this, if you also know that vaccines are generally mixed in some type of oil suspension, this way the little particulate matters can be floating around in there, so they draw it up in the syringe and inject it in you. That's generally peanut oil as well. So it hypersensitizes to the immune system. So kids eating a ding-dong, thinking that there's no nuts in there, can actually develop allergies. So does this mean that vitamin-fortified milk can also have peanuts in there? Yes or yes? Yeah, and they don't need to say that. Okay, so anytime you see vitamin-fortified, figure if a food's so poisonous they got to put vitamins in it, you probably don't want it. Okay? Yeah, I am rocket scientist. Okay.